Hey, folks, we're here at are we on? Okay, good. We're here at Carmine's Country Corner. I wasn't sure whether we're on yet or not. Hey, we just got some very sad news that everybody knows this person and everybody loves him. Kris Kristofferson, I heard, passed away today. And that's why we're opening the show with Help Me Make It Through the Night, one of his biggest hits, along with so many others I can't even mention them. I'm going to talk a little more about him later on. My wife, Susie, knew Kris Kristofferson fairly well back in the late 60s, early 70s, because of her brother-in-law, Gib Gilbo, who worked a lot with Kris. In fact, Kris recorded a song that Gib Gilbo wrote and put it on his album. Now, what an honor that would be to have a writer like Kris Kristofferson do one of your songs. Wouldn't that be something? Anyway, Kris, we love you. Thanks for everything you brought to the table musically. You made a lot of people happy. So we're going to finish this out. Go. Anyway, Kris, man, we lost Kris Kristofferson. Wow.
It's a big one.
Yeah, that is a big one. So we're going to do some Kris Kristofferson stuff tonight. And our guest artist tonight is my brother, Phil Saudo, and my brother, Tony.
Phil's the star he brought me.
And,
I'm with him.
Yeah. And so, you know what? We were going to have, like, my brothers do, like, a couple of songs, then get down, then get up. And you know what? Just sit there. You got 1 hour of jumping in and do the best you can with what we got. And we'll be featuring you guys on a couple of things. And just play with the band. It'll be fun that way. More fun that way. And I'll try to yell out what keys we're in. And you guys do the best you can. That's all I can tell you. Anyway, Swan, how you doing?
Fantastic.
You sound good.
Thank you. I've hardly touched a note
Really?
all week.
All week. Well, you sound good. Palmer?
Yeah, baby.
Love you. Yep. I love John. He's laid back. He's cool.
Palmer's cool.
Paul Marshall.
Carmen's
Mr. Cool.
my 4th gig in 2 days.
Well, you okay?
I'm okay. I'm going to sleep well tonight.
Good. Just don't fall asleep during the show. That's all I'm worried about. Right?
I brought all the energy I have left, right here.
How's the family?
Family's good.
All the babies?
They're all doing great.
Where's your beautiful wife?
Oh, last time I saw her, she was home with a pair of, what do you call those, hedge trimmers in her hand.
Well, someone's got to do the yard work.
I didn't put her to work. She just gravitates toward it. I don't know why.
That's this kind of person she is. Okay, so, Paul.
Carmen.
The boys. That was the original plan. Do another one, and then we'll let the band play a little. What do we got, Tony?
Oh, we're going to do a song called I Can't Help It If I'm Still in Love with Him. Or her. Or you. You. Sorry, I make a mistake when I do that, so I'm sorry.
You'll never
I
be
don't
half
mean
the
to do
man
that.
your mama was.
Kinda
What key you
I
in?
do. We're in the key of D.
Dog, boys.
still in love with you. Somebody else was by his side. Oh, he looked so satisfied, and I can't help it if I'm still in love. Let's play it, Phil. Old guitar coming down. Picture from the past came slowly stealing as she brushed my side and stood so close to me. And once again I get that old time feeling, and I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. No, I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Very nice, Phil. Thanks. Great.
Good job, guys.
Thanks,
My
Mom.
brother Phil and Tony Sardo doing a great job. Good
Thanks-
job.
Thanks for having us, Carmen.
Now, the band's going to play a little, and the boys are just going to go for the ride. Paul, what do you got?
I would like to do a Chris Christopherson song.
Now you're
Give me
talking.
a key, Paul. Give me a key.
Oh, wait. The name of the song that Chris cut, that was a Gibbs song that Chris Christopherson did, was it Sweet Susanna, honey? That was it. Sweet Susanna. Gib Gilbo wrote that song, and Chris was nice enough to record it. And I think Gib made a little money on that, too. And, you know, he never gave me a dime. Nothing. Supposed to be my brother-in-law and all that bull. Yeah, right. No, we love Gib. Go ahead. What do you got?
This is a Chris Christopherson song in the key of C. A lot of people heard Johnny Cash do it.
Sunday morning coming.
Well, I woke up Sunday morning with no way to hold my head that didn't hurt. And the beer I had for breakfast wasn't bad, so I had one more for dessert. And I fumbled through my closet for my clothes and found my cleanest dirty shirt. Washed my face and combed my hair, headed down the stairs to greet the day. I saw a daddy with a laughing little girl. He was swinging, and I stopped beside a Sunday school and listened to the songs that they were singing. I headed back for home. Somewhere far away, a lonely bell was ringing. It echoed through the canyons like the disappearing dreams of yesterday. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, that I was stoned. 'Cause there's something in a Sunday makes a body feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying half as lonesome as the sound of a Sunday morning sidewalk. Sunday morning coming down. Chorus. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, wishing, Lord, that I was stoned. 'Cause there's something in a Sunday makes a body feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying half as lonesome as the sound of a sleeping city sidewalk, Sunday morning coming down. Of a sleeping city sidewalk, Sunday morning coming down.
Nice job, Paul.
Natural, you gotta let it rain. Bonnie Kessler used to tell me.
Good advice. Yes.
Hey!
Well, that was an abbreviated version of the song, which, you know, we got a lot of guests here. We got a lot of things going on. I don't want to sing all day.
No, well,
Let's spread it around here.
plus this is your fourth gig in what, 24 hours? Gee, I wish I could work that much. Anyway, we're here at Bob Smith Toyota. We're coming to you. Carmine's Country Corner. We do this every week. Every Sunday. We hardly ever miss a Sunday. However, the 4th of October, I don't think we're going to be here because I've got a big business show I got to go do that has nothing to do with music. It's about my upholstery business, and I got to be there. So, Kim, you'll just do some kind of rerun, right? Okay, and we're sorry we lost Chris Christopherson this week. That's today, I guess. It just happened. That's pretty sad. You know, he was a good guy.
So did you say you're not going to be here next week?
Is that next week? Yeah, I
what you
won't be
said?
here the 4th.
Oh, neither will I.
Do you already have something else to do?
I'm going to be in the Carolinas.
Well, good for you.
Yeah.
And perfect timing.
Yeah, so this works out great. I was
No,
gonna-
no harm done. Sorry, Johnny. Sorry, Gary. Next week, no show, but we'll be here.
We're celebrating.
Yeah, I know you are. Anyway,
See,
yeah, 4.5 years we've been doing this show, and I don't know, it keeps going. Tony, Phil, you want to do another one?
Sure. Just so you know,
Go ahead, Phil. Talk loud. Get right into it.
this is my
There
first
you
gig
go.
this year. Just so you
Your
know.
first one.
Yeah, this is the first one this year. Yeah. I just
It's your first gig? Well,
And you're already worn out.
and you're already worn out.
Listen, we realize that Paul's been doing how many gigs in 2 days? 4
I don't know,
gigs?
two-
I'm glad
yeah.
somebody's working. I tell you right now, that's
Yeah.
good. You making any money? You
Goodness.
know,
Well, these
you know,
guys-
I'm very lucky
listen,
because if people keep calling and hiring me, I consider myself very lucky.
That's right.
you're
I-
also
I
a very
think-
good man.
I
Also,
think he made like
Tom.
$50, 4 gigs. Let me
anyways,
see. Yeah,
You're still
50.
lucky.
Yeah.
It's more than what
we're
I
gonna
made.
we're gonna have you, if you would, give us the pleasure of that silver voice of yours. Maybe you'll come in with some words in this song, Four
Absolutely.
Strong Winds.
Absolutely.
And when we pause and we're just winging it out here, having fun.
All right.
This is
What key, Tony?
D.
D. Key dog.
Four Strong Winds, by the way, in key of D. Let me tell the drummer. Key of D, drummer. Paul.
Four strong winds that blow lonely
seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Guess I'll go up to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've talked that through 100 times or more.
Guitar, Carmen.
If I get there for the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, nothing much for you to do. And those winds, they sure blow cold away out there.
Let's take it out, Phil. Play it, Phil. One more, one more. I didn't write it, but it ends on the G, honest.
I
Very
didn't know
nice.
that. All the years I played that song, I never knew it ended on
It
on the
ends on
four
the G.
chord. I don't know.
I never ended on the G until I heard the record once and said, oh, they ended on the G.
Well, a lot of songs do that, and that's a good way to end it. Okay, Swan,
What?
tear it up.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's called the chicken song.
Give me a key.
Okay.
I don't know what key this is.
We got a bunch of people here tonight. I can't with the bright lights. Is that? I know Sonny's here, right? Does Sonny get it? We love you. And who else?
Sonny,
Who?
yesterday my life
Okay, go.
filled with pain. It's too many chords for country people.
Okay, yeah, you're right. We're
This
all
is a
too
professional song.
stupid. Go ahead, smart
Here's a
guy.
tune. Here's a
What key?
tune by Vince Gill
Okay. Key of A,
called
I think.
"One Last Pair of Pants"
Okay. A.
What key is
in
it?
A.
A?
A,
Auto.
the Canadian key.
E or A?
A.
A?
Boy, it's taking a long time. I'd like you to show me. Do a song. I'll
A.
get somebody else. What? Do
A.
a song. Let's go. I'm waiting. Jesus Christ.
Sorry.
forgot about my old John Deere. Give me just one more last chance before you stay with you. I know I drive you crazy, baby. The best that I can do. Just a good old boy and make a noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you stay with you.
Damn.
I didn't know if they were going to do a harmonica solo.
Look at this.
Are they going to do any solos during the song?
Maybe not. What? When Sue walks close to the stage, even though you can't see her, I can.
Duck, she might
And we have
gone.
to stop the show, find out what Susie wants. What?
This is for Tony and Phil. Ann sends her love and says you guys sound great.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, Ann. Thank you, Ann. We need to thank you, dear.
There you go. You see?
We love you, Ann. We love you, babe.
I've been doing the show 4.5 years, Paul.
Yeah.
And Ann's always watching the show. And she's always saying, good show, nice job. She's never once said, Carmine, you sound great. Not one time in 4. Ann, I love you, but you know, you gotta watch it. But my brothers are great, as far as I'm concerned.
Thanks for having us.
Paul, do another one, I guess,
All
and then
right.
I might do one. I gotta get something to drink. I'm sorry it was taking too long to do this. I got a little nervous. I just want to do this song.
Crazy Arms.
Great song. What key?
D.
Key of dog.
D.
Key of D.
Jerry Lee?
151. 1, 2, 1.
Well, blue ain't the word for the way that I feel. And the storm is brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream. I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine. Crazy arms that reach reach to hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonesome all the time. So take back these treasured dreams I had for you and me. Take back all the love I thought was mine. Someday these crazy dreams will hold somebody new. Right now I'm so lonesome all the time. To hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. Can I get some harmonica now? Yeah, crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonesome all the time. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine.
Crazy guy. That's an old.
Nice harmonica solo there, boys.
Yeah, way to do the harps.
How's following Phil?
We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. This is Carmine's Country Corner. We got Gary Swan on piano.
Yay, Gary.
Great job, Gary. Love you. John Palmer on drums.
My buddy,
My very good friend, Paul Marshall on bass.
Paul Marshall.
Thank you.
And of course, my brother Phil, the oldest of the bunch, and my brother Tony.
Phil, I love you like a brother, honest.
And you know, these are the two brothers that I go to that harmonica convention with. I talked about that for a little while. We went to Tulsa, Oklahoma this year, and there's like 450 harmonica players. So I'll just leave it up to you. Okay.
That's a real
So
racket.
okay, yeah, just nothing else to be said. 450 harmonica players. You deal with it.
Do the math.
Yeah,
One.
you figure it out. Anyway.
Philharmonicas. Hey, Dan, you hear that feedback? Oh, okay. As long as you hear it.
Well, you want to do a little rock thing? Wake the place up a little bit? Phil, we're going to do this in E. The drummer doesn't know it. Let me get rid of this headgear.
All right, kick it off, whatever you
We're
want to
going
do.
to do give a chance to show off the band a little bit here. I'm going to do like a series of about 5 or 6 old rock songs. Just a little bit of each one, all in one key, in the key of E. And we'll feature the pianist, as great as he is, and Carmen. What can I say about Carmen?
Yeah.
Paul will do a solo on the bass if you want.
no.
He'll do anything.
That's right.
Or he might even sing one of those. You know, he may jump in if he gets the urge. And what can I say about Johnny? Okay.
Say a word. I'm good.
We're in the key of E here, Carmen. I mean, Phil. We're in the key of E. Give me an E. No, it's out.
Maybe it's me. All right, let's just do the song. It's fine. You want my tune?
Would like to tell you that we're coming from Bob Smith Toyota.
Hey, tell us, what about Mike Smith? What would he do?
He'd give him away, but his wife won't let him,
Yeah,
folks.
you see there, Mike Smith's a cool guy.
That's what a deal you're going to get down
You know,
here.
the Sato family, meaning Phil and Tony and I, have all, we've known the Smith family since the 50s.
Wow.
Right, Phil? Bob Smith had Volkswagen and different dealerships in Hollywood we did work for. We used to do work for them. And now they're right across the street. My business is right up the street. We're still doing business after about almost 60 years. Still know that. They're great people.
Thank you, Carmen.
You got it. All right, what are you going to do? Kick it off.
They get out of their kitchen and roll those pots and pans. They get out of their kitchen, roll those pots and pans. Oh, standing right here, here's a downright hungry man. I got your hick, a rattle and roll. I got your hick, a rattle and roll. Shake, a rattle and roll. Shake, rattle and roll. Well, you know that the Lord now bless my doggone soul. You ain't nothing but a howling dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a howling dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Oh, they said you was high class, and that was just a lie. They said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, it's a one for the money. You wanna pick it up to the bed ready now. Go, can't go, but don't get it. Take my blues with you. You can do anything, lay off of my blues with you. Here we go. Piano. That's what I'm talking about. Guitar. Play, Carmen. Here we go. Oh, way down Louisiana, beneath the evergreen. The Monte Country Road down in New Orleans. The Lord clever made the early wood. All that lived the country boy, they thought he did good. Who never learned to read or write so well, but he could play side. You listen to the music by the railroad track. Oh, the many, many people come from miles around to listen to the music of the young boy style. People say someday your name would be in lights, singing Johnny be good tonight. We'll go. Say go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Say go, go. Make it, play it. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go. One time around, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go. I said go. I said go. Johnny, be good. Carmen, that wasn't too quick, was it? That
No.
it wasn't too short, was it?
That was perfect. Good deal. We ran about 4 or 5 together. That was kind of fun. I'm going to do a song just because I usually do one a set and we're running out of time. What do we got? You got about 15 minutes. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. It made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero. I used to follow Clayton around. I often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, and he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Play it. And I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stone picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Come on, boys, play that harmonica. I guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stone picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. You know what I mean, Paul? I know there's a lot of big preachers that know a lot more than I do. It could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Thank you. Great.
Beautiful.
I'm hooked on a feeling. Bob Smith Toyota, Carmine's Country Corner. If you're on Facebook watching right now, please push share and like. That helps us a lot. If you're now later tonight, it's going to be on YouTube, because as soon as we finish doing this thing live, Kim will throw it and upload it. Or something. Is that upload or download? Up. Okay, upload it to YouTube. Paul, get ready, you're going to do another one. And then you'll have it there later tonight. And then, of course, Dan even does a better thing by either tomorrow or Tuesday. He does a whole mixing thing that he does. He takes it home and then he puts it up on YouTube. So it really sounds great. Thanks to Dan. Okay, Paul?
Whiskey Band Hellbound.
Oh, I love that song.
151 in G. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. I got a good woman at home who swears I do no wrong, but sometimes, Lord, she just ain't always around. Don't you know that's when I fall? I can't help myself at all. I get whiskey bent and hellbound. Play me a song about rambling man. Put a cold one in my hand. 'Cause you know I like to get high and hear the country sound. Don't you play your cheating heart, that would tear me all apart. And I'd get whiskey bent and hellbound. But sure enough, around closing time, I'm stoned right out of my mind, and I end up at some honky-tonk special I found. Just as sure as the morning sun comes, I'm thinking about my sweet baby at home. I need to get whiskey bent and hellbound. Play me a song about rambling man. Put old Jim Beam in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to get high and hear the guitar sound. Don't you play, I'm so lonesome I could cry. I get all balled up inside, and I need to get whiskey bent and hell-bound. Carmen. Play me a song about rambling man. Put a cold one in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to get high and hear that sound. Don't you play, I'm so lonesome I could cry. I get all balled up inside, and I get whiskey bent and hell-bound. You know Hank songs always make me feel low down.
We got it. We nailed it. Hey. Nice solo, Phil. Where did you get that from, Jenny? Huh? You ever hear him play that stuff before? All I ever hear is like, what's that one song, Ruby or something? And all this like legit stuff, and I was coming playing funky. Right in the middle of my show. Love you, Phil.
Play it on the ball. Play it like you've been playing it your whole life.
Phil and Tony, do another one for us. Tony, come up with another one. Harmonica, solo, whatever you want to do. Wait, you know what? We're gonna go over just 5-10 minutes. Tom,
Well,
I'll
we
get
can
you
do
out
Amazing-
of here.
You
I
want, should
promise.
we do Amazing? We can do Amazing Grace if you want. I mean,
Oh, I thought we're close with that.
Okay.
So, do one, and Paul or someone's gonna do one, and then we'll close.
We're in the key of D. Carmen, play it. All right. The piano's good. Carmen. Another love a long time ago left your heart sad and blue. Now my heart pays for something dear that it didn't do. In anger, unkind words were said. They left those teardrops start. Now why can't I change your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? Carmen. Gary. Why can't I change your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart?
Pretty good. Pretty
Them
smooth
wheels
there,
won't stop
boy.
turning the guitar.
Paul, you got one more in you?
Sure. Yes, I do.
And you know what it is? I don't either. Oh, yes, I do.
We're gonna have Paul do a quick one, then we're gonna close out with the harmonica boys here. I call them the harmonica cats. Hey, good looking. All right, what key?
C,
Key of C. Hey, good looking. All right, here we go.
2, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1.
Hey, hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill, and I know a spot right over the hill. Soda pop and the dancing is free. If you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm free and I'm ready, so we can go steady. How's about spending all your time with me? No more looking, I know I've been tooken. How's about keeping steady company? I'm gonna throw my daybook over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age, 'cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. 'Cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me?
Good job.
Nothing wrong with that.
Well, Chris Christopherson is gone, but he left his mark everywhere with his music and his acting and his singing, you know, it was good too. But I really loved his writing and I loved his acting and his singing. But I never met the man. My wife got to meet him, got to know him a little bit many years ago, back in the 60s before I knew her. And said he was a sweet man. Okay, so we're going to close with Amazing Grace, just out of respect for Chris, and we'll do that. And then we'll see. I won't see you next week on the 4th, but we'll see you the following week. All right, see you later, folks. Go ahead, Tony. What key? D?
Jerry. Carmen. Let's all play it one time for Chris. Jerry Swan.
amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found, was blind, but now I see.
Good night, folks.